Meteorology segment, and let's get to it. First thing we're looking at here is nullschool.net's surface winds. And I would note some very strong surface winds right here on the west coast of Australia, seeing nearly hurricane force winds there, just under 60 miles per hour, just on that measurement alone. And let's look at the jet streams. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Powerful wind there on the west coast of Australia. Here are the jets of the western world. Quite chaotic jet stream flow there, especially over places like South America. Look at this S-shaped bend here. Backward jet stream over the eastern portion of South America there. And here are the surface winds of the western world. And I would note once again, we have this low pressure ridge right here, where we have very low wind speeds. And it all has to do with, one, the viscosity of cold air, and two, straight line winds, as winds tend to be accelerated when they are blown over water and decelerated when they're blown over land. You have basically a 90-degree bend here in the winds and a low pressure ridge associated with these winds meeting the land. There's also hot versus cold air thing going on, and I won't get into the physics of air viscosity at this juncture. Next, pressure maps. Here are pressure maps for planet Earth. Actually, here are pressure maps for planet Earth. I don't know why that was so advanced, but let's go to the GFS forecast. Here's the GFS data. Here's where we expect things to be tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Continuing on to look at lightningmaps.org to see some more severe thunderstorms here in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Hey, Tallahassee, go out and look to the south and to the southeast. Dear Forrest Gump, if you're on a shrimp boat right now, please leave us a comment. If you're shrimping in the Gulf of Mexico, leave us a comment. And here's a U.S. Doppler radar map to show a powerful band of rain here, stretching all the way from the South Carolina coast, wrapping all the way around to the state of Illinois. So Illinois is going to have rain for an extended period of time here as this system rotates. And we've got some jet stream interactions that we'll show you in a moment. Some snow falling in Montana, some heavy snow in the northern U.S. Rockies. Here's a cloud layer map. You can see that powerful rotating system there. It is surrounded by dry mass of air, so it's not nearly as moist as it could be. And there's the water vapor map. And it looks like a bunch of sudden cloud nucleation happening here, and you can indeed see it. We're going to zoom in on the Florida Panhandle. So let's do a quick zoom here for all of you weather pornographers. We'll get these as close as we can. And there's the cloud layer. You can see this rapid cloud nucleation. It's caused because of hot air, folks. Hot air. It doesn't only come out of Colorado. Some of it comes out of the Gulf of Mexico. And there you can see the water vapor being added to the water vapor map and creating some massive pressure gradients. If you should be flying a plane through those areas, expect some turbulence, to say the least. And that's today's meteorology segment. We'll have to say goodbye to Twitch.